In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new form on Kit. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in, all the way to publishing a form that's ready to capture leads on your site. Follow along in your own account if you can, and feel free to pause as you go. First, from your main dashboard, look for the section labeled Grow. This is where Kit keeps all of your marketing tools. Hover over or click Grow, and then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This area is your central hub for anything related to capturing contacts, whether that's a full landing page or a simple form embedded on your website. Once you're on the landing pages and forms screen, look for the button that says Create New. Go ahead and click that. This tells Kit you want to start something from scratch, rather than editing an existing page or form. Next, you'll see different options for what you can create. Choose Form. This ensures you're building a form specifically, not a full page. Forms are great when you already have a page or blog post, and you just need a way to collect email addresses, signups, or other details. After you select Form, you'll be asked to choose a display format. This is how and where your form will appear to visitors. You can choose an inline form, which sits directly inside your content, like a section of a page. A modal pops up in the center of the screen, usually dimming the background. A slide-in form appears from the side or bottom, and a sticky bar stays attached to the top or bottom of the page as visitors scroll. Think about how intrusive or subtle you want the form to be, and pick the format that best matches your goals and your audience's experience. Once you've chosen the display format, you'll see a list of templates. These are pre-designed layouts that save you time. Browse through them, pick the one that matches the style and structure you're looking for, and then click Choose to open it in the editor. Now you can customize the form. Edit the text so it clearly explains what people are signing up for and why it's valuable. Adjust the fields to collect only the information you actually need, such as name and email. Fewer fields usually mean more signups, so keep it simple. When you're happy with the content and layout, review everything one more time to check for typos and make sure the form matches your brand. Finally, when everything looks good, click Publish. Your new form is now live and ready to use in your campaigns or on your website.